So hello guys, my name is Kathleen Lyle. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. So now we're here now in Ibis Hotel. So we're here now in Gateway going in. So presenting the lobby. So the lobby has cozy sofas for the guests waiting. And this is the elevator, and some of these are the designs to have beautiful designs to see by the customers to see it. So this is 24 hours cafe, so they have a co-working space here, so you can go there. So elevator going to the ground and basement parking. So going to the front desk. So the front desk is a concept of like an advertising things. So and then this is the elevator going up. So this has a beautiful design of modern design in Ibis. So we're going up, elevator going up, and tapping the key card to the rooftop. And my mom saying hi to you guys. So 7th floor, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and roof deck. So opening sesame. Okay, so we're now in the roof deck bar. So this is the bar of the roof deck. So they have cocktails and buy one take one. So this is the roof deck pool. So there are many people swimming in it. So the roof deck bar, the pool. Okay, so this is the roof deck pool. Very beautiful roof deck. You can see the stunning view of Araneta and EDSA. So you can see the stunning view of Aurora Boulevard and Araneta and EDSA. So we are going to our first room. Okay, so this is the first room. We got a key card. Opening. So this is a room. Wow, 2 single beds. So this is good for 2 adults, or you can have 3 adults too, but extra add-on view of EDSA. So sink, shower, and comfort room. So this is the hand soap. So this is the toothbrush, the sink, toothbrush, towels, then the shower, the shampoo, the bath gel, the shower, the towels. Okay, so this is the comfort room, the toilet with the bidet. So in the facilities in the room, so we have this water dispenser, thermos. So that's white creamer, coffee, creamer, white sugar, brown sugar, water heater, thermos, water safe block. So safe block. Though this is the refrigerator. So as you can see, okay, so this is the clothes, and this is the pillow. If you want the extra pillow, you can. Okay, so this is a dryer and towels. So it's under the sink. So going up in the elevator again, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16 floor. So it's opening. Elevator is opening. Okay, so the elevator is opening. So going to our second room. So we stayed one night and then this is our second room. So this has a better view. So 6021. But our room is 1622. Okay, so we tap our key card. We open the door. So this is the inside of our room. We have everything, sink, shower, comfort room. Okay, so inside of our room. So this is inside of our room. So this is a view of Antipolo, Dome, and Church. So Araneta Dome. So he's saying hello to you guys. So happy check-in. So we are happy here that we check in here in Ibis. So we go to the 5th floor. So the 5th floor is having the gym. We have the gym, and we have the restaurant, and we have the kids club. So as you can see, kids side corner for babies and kids, restaurant or buffet. So I'll show you the restaurant of Ibis. So you can order here in this restaurant. Okay, so you can order in Ibis restaurant. You can order here. So 5th floor access going to gateway 2. So presenting the 5th floor access. There you go. We have the 5th floor access. Go to gateway 2. So we're going to the church. Going in the roof deck of gateway 2. So if you want to stay there and chill out, you can. And this Ibis is still renovating. So the Ibis. Okay, we'll go back to the end of the 5th floor of the Ibis. So we go back and we go in. So let's proceed to the gym. So you tap your key card first to get on the gym. You push. So you have here the weighing scale, the lobby, front desk, the chairs for waiting, the magazines if you want to read, treadmill. So you have this bike, you have this boxing gym too. So if you want to do boxing and then weights, then for muscular endurance, for weights, if you want to weights, go up. Lockers, so if you need lockers, you can go here, tap your numerical key. So this has a nice gym, a nice appearance, a better appearance because it's new. So if you want to take gym, you can. So if you want to go in here, this is the comfort room. So you can go here in the comfort room. So there you go. If you go there, that's the male's room. So you have sink, you have shower, you have toilet, you have everything here in the gym room. So you can exercise. Okay, so if you want to go here, you can do boxing if you want to be trained to get boxing. I want to exercise here soon because of boxing. I want to be trained by boxing. Okay, so we'll get out here. Okay, we just press the button. And we're good to go. The kids corner. This is the kids corner. Okay. So this is the pool. Enjoying the pool, chilling in the pool roof deck. It's not that kind of sunny, but we're enjoying the pool. Swimming and swimming and swimming and swimming. So enjoying. We have solo in the pool. We're solo in the pool. So we're enjoying the pool. We're enjoying the pool. I'm swimming, everybody's swimming, my dad is swimming, I am swimming. So chilling in the pool. Oh, okay. Okay, chilling in the pool. And in the cut. There you go. My dad is now swimming. He is swimming, enjoying the scenery of the pool, the scenery of the city. The pool is very clean. As you can see, I wanted this Ibis styles because it's just 2,599. You have breakfast only for Monday to Thursday, but if for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it will be 4,000 pesos. So enjoying the pool, enjoying the moment. See, as you can see, this is an infinity pool. So this is parang nakakalula siya. So there you go, and the pool view of whole swimming pool. There, as you can see, me happy swimming. So as you can see, saying hi with the stunning view of the Araneta City and EDSA and Antipolo view. So this is the pool, enjoying the pool. Okay, so it's time to proceed to buffet breakfast. So good morning everybody. So we eat breakfast buffet. So as you can see, I'm walking inside the restaurant, the breakfast buffet. So this is the condiments. Then it has a really wide space. So I will show you the menu of this restaurant. So let's start with the miso soup. So you can select if chicken stock or beef stock, fried rice, lugao, or congee. So you can choose if beef stock or chicken stock, miso soup, juice or the juice, and then milk. Then let's proceed to there you go. So that's danggit and dilis. So that's fish made in Philippines. So this is champorado and lugao, congee. And then we proceed to the breakfast buffet. So that a hot dog, portofino, and then longanisa, and that's the eggs. So if you want the eggs, scrambled eggs, omelette, so they're cooking the omelette eggs. And then this is the sausage. This is the sauces of the, if you want to have Worcestershire or AI sausage A1 or soy sauce or many kinds of different of sauces. So next is the bread. So you can choose in this tasty bread, the croissants or the pancakes or the French toast or the with condiments, with bread with condiments. So let's go to the last part. So this is the donut section. So next is the pineapple, watermelon, and then next is the milk, is strawberry milk, pudding, and the cereals. So that's it, guys. That's it for the buffet breakfast. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.